Hello, little friends! Welcome to Little Barnyard Kids. Today we'll learn the entire alphabet from A to Z with fun animals. Are you ready? Let's begin! Look, this is the letter A. A is for apple.
Apple.
A is also for alligator. Can you say A? Great job! Look, this is the letter B. B is for ball. B is also for bear. Can you say B? Fantastic! Look, this is the letter C.
Meow.
C is for cat. C is also for cow. Can you say C? Amazing! Look, this is the letter D. D is for dog. Woof! D is also for duck. Quack! Can you say D? Excellent! Look, this is the letter E. E is for elephant. Trumpet! E is also for egg. Can you say E? Excellent! Look, this is the letter F. F is for fish. F is also for frog. Can you say F? Fantastic! Look, this is the letter G. G is for giraffe. G is also for goat. Can you say G? Great job! Look, this is the letter H. H is for horse. H is also for hen. Can you say H? Happy learning! Look, this is the letter I. I is for ice cream. I is also for iguana. Can you say I? Incredible! Look, this is the letter J. J is for juice. J is also for jellyfish. Can you say J? Joyful learning! Look, this is the letter K. K is for kite. K is also for kangaroo. Can you say K? Keep learning! Look, this is the letter L. L is for lemon. L is also for lion. Can you say L? Lovely! Look, this is the letter M. M is for mango. M is also for monkey. Can you say M? Marvelous! Look, this is the letter N. N is for nest. N is also for nurse. Can you say N? Nice job! Look, this is the letter O. O is for orange. O is also for owl. Can you say O? Outstanding! Look, this is the letter P. P is for parrot. P is also for penguin. Can you say P? Perfect! Look, this is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Q is also for quail. Can you say Q? Quick thinking! Look, this is the letter R. R is for rainbow. R is also for rabbit. Can you say R? Remarkable! Look, this is the letter S. S is for sun. S is also for squirrel. Can you say S? Super! Look, this is the letter T. T is for tiger. T is also for turtle. Can you say T? Terrific! Look, this is the letter U. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. Can you say U? Unbelievable! Great job! Look, this is the letter V. V is for violin. V is also for vulture. Can you say V? Very good! Look, this is the letter W. W is for whale. W is also for watermelon. Can you say W? Look! This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. X is also for X-ray. Can you say X? Excellent! Look! This is the letter Y. Y is for yacht. Y is also for yak. Can you say Y? Yay! Great job! Look, this is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is also for zoo. Can you say Z? Zoom! You did a fantastic job! Hooray! We learned the alphabet from A to Z! I'm so proud of you! See you next time on Little Barnyard Kids. Bye-bye!